What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how the first day of drifting with the new wrap went. At the end of the video you're gonna see something bad happen, but I mean, what can we do, right? Drifting. You already know the wrap came out really cool and it looks good on the road and all, but the place of this car is at the track. So today we're gonna take the car to OSW for a 3-day event.
E aí? Tá too sleep. É.
We came back for the second day, and the first thing you need to do on your 350Z is check the oil before turning the car on.
The tech shed. All drivers to the tech shed, please.
this happen. Well, what can I say? It's a drift car and now it has drift scars, right? The tire delaminated and ripped part of the new bumper off. But don't worry, this is not gonna keep me from driving the rest of the event. So take a look at the sire. This is the one that destroyed my bumper. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another one.